All right, YouTube, welcome back to another video. It's your boy Brian with Mendez Mobile Detailing, and today we have a Toyota RAV4 mini interior detail. But before we get into the video here, you guys, make sure you guys hit the like button, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, and also make sure you hit that notification bell so you are updated on all the videos that we do post stuff. So we have a interior detail only on this RAV4. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at the condition. Now, this car does need a bit more love and affection and attention to get it back to its original condition, right? But we're here to do a mini interior detail, and that is what we will be doing. So for this car, I am charging $120 for the interior detail only. It doesn't include any steam cleaning. It doesn't include shampoo of the seats or the carpets. Now, I will use brushes on the carpets, but it'll just be to loosen up some of that debris and stuff like that off the carpets, and it won't be to like shampoo or anything like that. Here you go. So this is a look at the trunk area right there. Okay, not too bad. So we aren't doing the exterior, so we don't have to, go too crazy on the wash or anything, but the door jambs I will clean up and stuff like that, which I'll probably do first to get those cleaned with the pressure washer, clean up these mats, and then we'll start vacuuming and detailing. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me throughout the process. Watch the entire video, you guys. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you guys would think on the condition of this vehicle right here. How much would you charge for just a basic interior detail? Let me know in the comment section down below what you would do, how much you would charge, and how long it'll take you, because we will be timing this video here. So the time is currently 9:25. Let's see what time we finish. Let's get to it, man. Let's go. Mendez Mobile Detailing.
Mendez?
Yes, sir. Mendez. M-E-N-D-E-Z.
All right, man.
What kind of car you got?
I've got it's actually a truck.
Okay.
But it's a 2017 F-150.
F-150?
Yeah.
What's your main concern for the work?
My main concern is the interior, because I let my daughter borrow it. She put the dogs back here, and I can't get some of the stuff out of it.
Okay. Okay, so it's like pet hair and stuff like that.
Pet hair and
any stains on the seats or the carpets?
No.
No
I
stains.
got WeatherTech in a full board, but the upholstery needs to be done. And then outside, y'all detail them too, right?
Nah, yeah, we detail everything. So interior, exterior,
Yeah.
Engine bay, polishing, anything like that. We do everything, man. We got everything in the van, so we're equipped. We can come out to you, work. You know, you see we're out here right now.
Yeah.
So
I seen her pull up today. So.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'll definitely give y'all a call.
All right, perfect, man. What's
Thank
your name,
you.
by the way?
My name is Dennis.
Dennis. All right, Brian. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, sir. Have a good one, man. All right, so it's 10:01, you guys, and all we're doing now is just pushing all of this dirt towards the front, making sure that we get in between the corners and stuff like that as well on each side. But in the meantime, we have finished all of the door panels there, as well as the door jambs. So now we're gonna go ahead and start by cleaning off these pillar things right here. Spray these down here, spray the side. Now, usually I would close this up a bit, but it is a little windy, so my spray is kind of just going everywhere. So I want it to be a little bit more direct. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my pad here. Grab my towel now, and I'm simply just go ahead and wipe. Now, I am gonna come through with the compressor as well, which is only gonna help me. I don't want to just mainly use the compressor. So like this cracking crevices right there, I don't have to overthink it or overstress it, because I can just simply use my compressor here, blow up in there, and then it'll loosen it all up for me. There we go. So now we're just continue drying up here. Now that's all clean. I'm gonna go ahead and follow up with my shine here. Keep in mind, I usually have two hands when I'm detailing, so bear with me. I'm over here trying to do the best that I can to bring you guys content. This is how I do all of my interior details. So yeah. Now we're gonna simply repeat the same steps on that side right there, and then I'll go ahead and move everything forward on this side, and then I'll start vacuuming before I start detailing up there and stuff like that. So I just got done doing the exterior glass, and the time is currently 11:03. So we have the last look here at the RAV4. We have finished detailing the inside. So like I said in the beginning of the video, this car does need a shampoo. It's very bad on the seats, but we did what we were called out for, and that was a basic interior. So we wiped down the door jambs, cleaned the door panels, all the buttons and dashboards, cup holders, everything was cleaned. And we even vacuumed underneath in there, cleaned up the floor mats, cleaned up the seats, and vacuumed them out. They had a little bit of dog hair, so it took me a little bit longer to do, but it's all good, no worries. Vacuumed and wiped down the trunk area, as well as the door jambs were cleaned, as you guys saw in the beginning. Now they're only wiped clean. I don't try to go too crazy like I would on a normal full detail, where I'm leaving them spotless with like a, you know, thorough clean. They're just wiped down and rinsed off. We have the section here got detailed and cleaned as well. Also the sides, the seats were vacuumed. Center console was cleaned. And then we have the final back area here, which was also cleaned and detailed. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a last look real quick before I head out, and then we will end the video there. So thank you guys for watching this video here. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, you guys. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Hopefully you learned something, and you know, you see how my process is behind doing a basic interior. You might switch it up, you might do it a little faster, you might do it a little slower. Whatever it is, just make sure that you're giving the client the best results possible that you can. So thank you guys. Keep moving forward. Hustle never settle. Brian Felix out. Peace out, you guys. Love you guys.